Hello, I'm Shadow. How Python is used in finance. As you know, Python is a general-purpose coding language. It can be used for other types of programming and software development besides web development. Ben Tennyson can find out about Python, just like I discussed about ATM.
Hi, it's you, Shadow.
You are here, right?
Yes. Rather, I met with Percy, Sonic, and Tails.
Well, he's a blue hedgehog Sonic. Tell me how Python is used in computing systems generally.
I know, Shadow. Well, Shadow, Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. It allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages.
Okay, Ben. Here's an example for you. How Python is used in finance.
To talk about finance that you're looking for.
Okay?
For example, writing the set of assets, like Google, shortened as Goog, Facebook, shortened as FB, Amazon, shortened as AMZN, and others. This is the first step. The second step is to assign the weights in stocks equally, given are the three assets are Google, Facebook, and Amazon. Let's just say 0.4.
Okay?
The third step is to find out where the date of stock has started, that is stock start date, let's say 1998, June 2nd.
June is the 6th of month.
This must return to 1998-0602. And the fourth step is to find out where the date of stock has ended, that is, today, equals sign, date time dot today parenthesis open and close dot string f time, %y %m and %d. This returns as today's date, say 16th February, 2021. This returns as 2021-02 to 16.
Okay, thanks for telling how to use this programming, Ben.
Okay, I was back with you, see you then.
Finance can also be seen in online. For more details, you can log on the sources at nasdaq.com, dowjones.com, or newyorkstockexchange.com. So this topic about how Python is used in finance. Like, comment, and subscribe now.